Good morning, Year 4. I'm Miss Marwa Adel, your science teacher, and we are going to study and discuss the sound pitch and do some exercises about it. Let's start our. The sound and vibration. You remember that the sound is made when the object or the thing is vibrate, and the vibration here means it's moving backwards and forwards quickly. Some vibration we can see it, like the ruler, and some vibration we just can feel it, like the sepal here. And the tuning fork. We can describe the sound by saying it's loud or soft, and this is called the sound volume. Loud or soft, this is the sound volume. Okay, so the sound volume is the loudness is measure of the property that describe the loudness of the sound, if it's loud or soft. It measures by decibels, and this is the unit, and we can measure it by the sound level meter. We can also describe the sound is high or low. When I said high or low, I can describe the sound pitch. The sound pitch is how high or low it is. So here the sound pitch can be high or low. So the high pitch has some properties that we can describe it. That the sound pitch here will be thin, short and tight. Thin, short and tight, like the siren. And we can say the sound is low pitch when you can hear the sound is thick, long and loosen. Thick, long and loosen. Like the rule of thunder. It's completely different between the siren. From the siren, right? So this is the high and this is the low pitch, and this is the properties that we can describe it. Changing the sound in the musical instruments. The musicians used changing of the sound pitch in their musical instruments, right? But they cannot say that the sound pitch is high or low. You just say this is the note, high note or low note. The first one here is called the percussion instruments. And the percussion instruments like the drums, the skin vibrate to make the sound, but it's depend on some factors like the size and the shape. The size and the shape. Here I have a large drum. When I pluck on it or I press on it or I bang, sorry, on it, so the vibration will be slower. It takes more energy to vibrate. So it gives me thicker sound. So here when I can describe it, this is called low sound pitch. Large objects, vibration slower, thick sound, so this is called low sound pitch. The second one here is a small drum. The vibration here faster, need less energy to vibrate, give me thin sound, so this is called high sound pitch. So this is depend on what the size of the drum, if it's large or small. The vibration here happen slower or faster, thicker sound or thinner sound. The second one here is called the wind instruments. Look at the picture, this is the recorders, and we blow the air into them. So the air column vibrate to make a sound. The air column vibrate to make the sound. What the meaning of air column? The air inside it, I blew the air into them so I can hear the sound. But they are different in what? In the length. They are different in length and some difference in the shape, right? So here in this recorders I have long length or long tube. So I have here air column. What do you think will be long or short? It will be long air column. So it needs more energy to vibrate. So the vibration will happen slower. It takes more energy to vibrate. So it gives me what? Thicker sound. So this is called low sound pitch. This is called low sound pitch. But here if I have a small length of the tube, so I will have air column will be short, so the vibration happen faster, it takes less energy, give me thinner sound. This is called high pitch sound. This is called high pitch sound. This is an application of the wind instruments. You can do it at home. We can bring 6 bottles of glass or glass bottle, and we are going to blow the air at the top, across the top of the bottle. So the sound is made here by the air inside the bottle vibrating. So the air is vibrating inside the bottle to make the sound. So there is a difference between the air column here, and we said the air column is the air inside the tube, and here it's the air inside the bottle of the glass or the glass bottle. Okay, so number 4, look at number 4. It's short air column, and number 3 it's long air column. So what do you think? Which one the vibration will happen faster? 3 or 4? We are going to answer first the questions here. The bottle that make the highest sound pitch is number 4. Top why? Because it has short air column. It's full of water almost, and there is short air column, least air, so the vibration happen faster. It take less energy to vibrate, so it gives me what? High sound pitch. So this is according to the length of the air column. Here, the bottle that make the lowest sound pitch is the bottle number 3. Because of what? Because it has long air column, more air, so the vibration happens slower. The vibration happens slower because it takes more energy to vibrate, so it gave me what? It gave me low sound pitch. Okay. Number 3 here is called string instruments. And the string instruments is like the guitar and the violin. We pluck the string or press to make a sound. It depends on some factors or some variables. Okay, and we said the factors mean the thing that affects. Okay, so here the first one is the length of the string. The length of the string. If the string here is short, so it will gives me faster vibration, thinner sound, and give me also high sound pitch. But if the length is long, so it gives me slower vibration, low sound pitch, and thicker sound. So how the musician do this? They will cut the string? No, of course. To get the short? No. They just put their fingers or press on the string to make the string short or long. Okay, so changing the sound pitch by pressing on them, right? So this is how I change the sound pitch in the string instruments. By first one, the length of the string, and they called it I will change the notes, short or long. The second factor here is the tightness of the string. The tight string gives me faster vibration, and when faster vibrations happen, this is high sound pitch. But if the string is loose, the slower it gives me slower vibration. This is called low sound pitch. Number 3 is called the thickness of the string. So the first one is the length, the second one is the tightness, and the third one is the thickness of the string. If the string itself here in the number B is thickest string, and in A thinnest string, so in B is thickest string, so it gives me slower vibrations, takes more energy, of course it will be low sound pitch. And the thinnest string, faster vibration, high sound pitch. Okay, guys, thank you. And this is all about the sound pitch. Wish you luck.